Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to render objects in Creo. It's really simple. First step is to go into view and pick a color or material. If you want to do a certain material like it's metals, plastics, whatnot, you can pick anything you want, matte, green, nice. Let's pick the whole design, and now obviously it's green. That's the first step. Go into view, go to your appearances, pick a color. If you want a certain material, pick the material and pick the color. Second thing is go to applications and you go on to Render Studio up here. This is also on Creo 9, so other versions may be different. Now, full disclaimer, this is not my part. One of my friends made it for their steering rig. That's why it's a bit ugly. Right, so you've now got an object here and certain color or material. Cool, you can just say that's done, right? No, every time you move it, it gets more grainy, as you can see, and when you zoom in, it's also very grainy, but it does correct itself after some time. So you could just do this and leave it there for a few seconds, and it will render nicely. You can also change the scene, so you can make it inside a room, for example, by going up scenes and changing it. So currently, yeah, it's in here now. Cool. It's next to a bus. Whatever, right? Change the orientation of the scene. That's one thing you can do. Different scenes. What's this? You can have fun with that. Look, like, oh my god, crazy. Right, so that's another scene you can put it in. Other things you can do, let's go back to the original, is you can change the direction of the light. Lovely motorbikes. You can change the environment, the lights, so change the intensity. Let's just go that, click there, it will change it. It's really simple. Change the direction of the light, so this is one light, that's another light. It's currently shining down that way. We can move we can move it around. Let's move it over here. And that will slightly move where the light is actually shining. Let's do it again. Change the axis where it's shining on. It might be a bit laggy depending on your computer. But I've got one light shining down that way, and this light is shining down. Oh, no, it's just a view, I think. Yeah, one's light. I thought they both were lights, but apparently not. I've now learned something. Cool. That's interesting. Oh, there we go. Cool. So, you can do lights, you can do a scene, you can change your environment. You can also add your own environment into this, but we're not going to do that. You can also change the intensity of your light, so you can go really high intensity light. That thing becomes so bright. Yeah, if you want. I'm going to go for low intensity lighting so we can actually see the details in the shape. Cool. That's done. You can press close. Now you can either take a screenshot, with the screenshot tool on every single computer, or you can press the screenshot and it'll do it for you. So you can do render do, and it will save it to wherever you just placed on the computer. In this case, it's onto my desktop, and it is render 2. There. So that's the render. So we'll take it on the current view that you have. Let's say we wanted to render it from this side and we wanted to zoom in. Let's go for left view. There you go. So you let that render for a second so you can screenshot it there. After. And it's nice PNG. If you press this button, I won't because it makes my computer lag. you'll get another render and you can change the resolution. But I won't, because it makes my computer lag, as I said. So you can do that. You can change the intensity of lights and you can get some really cool things with this. Last year I did a car, that was cool. And when you're finished, you can just press close. And you're back and you can edit your shape again. So yep, that's it. That's how you render on Creo with a few extra things on the rendering tool. Hope that was useful. Have a great day.